Hey folks, Tristan back with another video, and in this video I wanted to just do a short, quick video to show you how you can search your YouTube comments, because I have found that it's not really that intuitive and a lot of people don't know this. So those of you who use YouTube, I think you'll find this useful. So here I'm on the YouTube homepage. Now I actually have my comments page bookmarked, which I put up here on my menu, but if you're on the YouTube homepage, what you do is you'll click on your own icon here on the top right, and you'll go to YouTube Studio, and then you go down to comments, and this is all of your comments basically. You can show by comments I haven't responded to, or comments that you have responded to, and then you have comments that are held for review, which is like spam comments or comments with bad language or whatever. But you click on this little menu here, this little triangle menu, click that, and then you can actually search. Now we're going to go ahead and do a search here, and I can show you how that works. But you can also choose some other things here, like contains questions. So comments that contains questions, you can only display those. Public subscribers, channel member status, subscriber count, set current filters as default. So you have different things that you can choose here. But let's try search. So then we'll click on search, and let's say I want to search for a comment that somebody left a long time ago, but I can't really find it. And I would, a comment I wanted to respond to or something like that. Let's just search. You can search for any term here. Let's just search for, I don't know, Hi-Fi Man, for like Hi-Fi Man headphones. Hit apply, and then it'll bring up all of the comments that have that word in here. So you can see this person commented and they've got the word Hi-Fi Man here. This person has the word Hi-Fi Man here. And so you can kind of go through and find your comments that way, which I find really handy. And then, if you want to do another search, we can do that. Search for, I don't know, just choose any term here. Let's see, I don't know, bass or bass. And then right here, it's bringing up all the comments that have that word. So this comment has that word bass. Right here, this comment has the word bass. So it's really handy if there's something that you want to address. Like if people have, in your channel, if there's a certain topic people have made comments on that you want to go back and address or reply to. So yeah, this search feature can be really handy to search out comments that others have left in your YouTube channel. So this is for people who have their own YouTube channels. Questions, comments, or feedback, please feel free to leave them. See you in my next video.